Marketing, Chapter 2, Price, Session 3. Cost oriented pricing. In this, before setting the price, they'll be taking the company's profit objectives and what and all it covers its cost of production. This is known as cost oriented pricing. In this, they'll be taking the mainly cost of production, that is production cost, as a key factor for determining the initial price. And this pricing again is of three types. One is cost plus pricing, second one is markup pricing, and third one is break-even pricing. Cost plus pricing is a pricing method that attempts to ensure that costs are covered while providing a minimum acceptable rate of profit for the entrepreneur. It is calculated by adding a fixed markup to average or unit cost of production. So here they are given the formula: selling price is equal to unit total cost plus desired unit profit, where cost plus pricing is advantageous as it tells firms what prices competitors are charging the market, but it ignores replacement cost issue. Next one is markup pricing. It refers to the difference between the cost to produce and market an item for sale and the retail price that is charged for that item. Typically, the markup is expressed as a fixed percentage and it is determined by applying that percentage to the actual cost of the item. Next one is break-even pricing. Break-even pricing is a practice of setting a pricing point at which a business will earn zero profit on a sale. The intention is to use low prices as a tool to gain market share and drive competitors from the marketplace. And this break-even point formula is total fixed cost divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. And based on this formula, here they are given a sum. Just go through the sum by using that formula. Next one is competition oriented pricing or market driven pricing. Competition oriented pricing is a method of pricing in which a manufacturer price is determined more by the price of a similar product sold by a powerful competitor than by considerations of consumer demand and cost of production. This is known as competition oriented pricing.